Welcome students, e-learning classes of St. Michael's Academy. Now, in today's lecture, that is my lecture 7 of linear equations of two variable. In this video, you will learn to find out some variables on some specific conditions, and these are the very important questions for your board examinations and other examination. In NCERT, there are only two questions in exercise 3.5, but there is a complete exercise 3D in RS Agrawal. So first we will discuss, then I will give you homework, but I would like to take one question. That is the question number first of question number 2. In this question, for infinite solutions, for these two equations, we have to find A and B. What is the equation? 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. A minus bx plus a plus by is equal to 3a plus b minus 2. This is the equation number 2. This system of equation has infinite number of solutions. So please remember what is the condition of the coefficients of a linear equation in two variables to be have infinite number of solution, and that condition I have explained in the very beginning of this topic, that the condition of the coefficient for infinite solutions is a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. So we'll write the coefficients according to this given condition. 2 upon a minus b is equal to 3 upon a plus b, that is equal to b1 upon b2, c1 is equal to 7 and c2 is equal to 3a plus b minus 2. After that, we have to compare any two of this given conditions and create and generate linear equations of two variables in the term of a and b. Then we'll solve and get the value. So we'll start with this one. I will take these two conditions. 2 upon a minus b is equal to 3 upon a plus b. Now we'll do the cross multiplication. Then 2 into a plus b, that is equal to 2a plus 2b is equal to 3 into a minus b, 3a minus 3b. 2a minus 3a, that is equal to minus a, minus 3b plus 2b, that is minus 3 become this side, they become plus 5b, that is equal to plus 5b is equal to 0. This is the equation number 3. Now we will compare this two. Implies that 3 upon a plus b is equal to 7 upon 3a plus b minus 2. Clear? Again we will do the cross multiplication. 3 into numerator into denominator. 3 into 3a, 9a plus 3b minus 6. 3 to just 6. 7a plus 7b. Is it clear? Now we take the term a and b on the left hand side. 9a minus 7a, that is equal to 2a. Plus 3b and plus 7b go left hand side. The 3b minus 7b, that is equal to minus 4b. Minus 6 come this side, plus 6. Take 2 as a common. A minus 2b is equal to 6. A minus 2b is equal to 6 upon 2, that is equal to 3. This is the equation number 4. Now we'll solve equation 3 and equation 4 by any method. Now it is my experience and suggestions to you, my dear students. When options is not given to solve these questions by any method, you will select the elimination method. Elimination method is the method in which you have that is very convenient and very less chance to do mistakes. So I will follow the elimination method. Now I write minus a plus 5b is equal to 0 and a minus 2b is equal to 3. This is equation number 3 and equation number 4. So in elimination method, we need to equalize the coefficient. Already the coefficient of A is equal. Sign are different, then we need to add. Minus A plus A cancel. 5A minus 2B, that is equal to 3B is equal to 3. So B is equal to 3 upon 3, that is equal to 1. So from equation number 3, minus A plus 5 into B, the value of B is equal to 1 is equal to 0. So minus A is equal to minus 5. So A is equal to 5. So what is your answer? A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 1. I'll take one more questions from R.S. Agrawal book. Then I'll give you homework. I hope that you have understood this type of questions. Let me take one questions from R.S. Agrawal exercise 3D. This question is R.S. Agrawal exercise 3D. I'll take one board model questions of 2000. Let me take this question. Question number 24. Question number 24. 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. A plus b minus 1. A plus b minus 1. X plus a plus 2b. A plus 2b plus 2 y is equal to 4 into a plus b plus 1. Once more, let me check this question. 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. A plus b plus 1. A plus b plus 1. Here I did a plus b plus 1. X is equal to a plus 2b plus 2y is equal to 4 into a plus b plus 1. In this question also, the condition is for infinite number of solutions. So please remember, what is the condition for infinite solution? For infinite solution, A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is equal to C1 upon C2. So write the condition. A1 is equal to 2, A2 is equal to A plus B plus 1. B1 is equal to 3, B2 is equal to A plus 2B plus 2. And C1 is equal to 7, C2 is equal to 4 into A plus B plus 1. Now from this condition we have to find the A and B. Again we will compare first this two and then this two. Now compare this one. 2 into A. 2A plus 2 to ja 4B plus 2 to ja 4 is equal to 3 into A, 3A plus 3B plus 3. आसान है बच्चों, हम क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन किए हैं जैसे इसके पहले वाले क्वेश्चन में किए थे. 2A minus 3A, that is equal to minus A. 4B, 3 become this side become minus 3B, that is equal to plus B. And 3 minus 4, that is equal to minus 1. This is the equation number 3. Then similarly, we'll compare the second and the third, means the coefficient of y and the constant, and we will derive one more equation. 3 upon a plus 2b plus 2 is equal to 7 upon 4 into a plus b plus 1. Again we will do cross multiplication, but before cross multiplication we will solve the numerator of the second one, that is equal to 4a plus 4b plus 1. Now we will do the cross multiplication. 3 4 ja 12a, 3 4 ja 12b plus 3 1 ja 3. 7 into a 7a, 7 2 ja 14b and 7 2 ja 14. Now 7a come left hand side. Then what does it become? 12a minus 7a, that is equal to 5a, plus 14b come left hand side. Then 12b minus 14b, that is equal to minus 2b. 3 come this side. Then 14 minus 3, that is equal to 11. This is the equation number 4. Now from equation number 4 and equation number 3, we will solve this one. Now minus a plus b is equal to minus 1. 5a minus 2b is equal to 11. Equation number 3 and equation number 4. We will follow the process of elimination method. In that elimination method, we need to multiply equation number 3 by 2, because LCM of 2 and 1 is equal to 2. This equation becomes minus 2a plus 2b is equal to minus 2, and 5a minus 2b is equal to 11. Now you easily solve this equation, and I am very sure you are able to find the value of a and b. Your homework for this video, exercise 3D question number 2. There are only 2 questions, out of that 1 I have solved. And from R.S. Agrawal, from chapter 3D, exercise 3D, please solve at least 10 questions. I am very sure that you will solve. Thank you very much.